I'm going to review Raindrop Agency. Raindrop Agency is a marketing and branding agency that helps businesses grow through creative strategies and digital campaigns. It specializes in brand storytelling, social media management, and video production, aiming to make brands more relatable and engaging. Some users praise Raindrop Agency for its innovative approach and successful ad campaigns, especially for brands looking to establish a strong identity. However, like any agency, experiences may vary depending on the project and the client's expectations. There are no widespread reports of scams, but it's always a good idea to research client reviews and case studies before hiring. If you're considering working with them, checking their portfolio and discussing your needs in detail can help determine if they're the right fit.